Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Friends, in this video we are going to show you black color blouse with perfect matching saree ideas. So please watch the video till end. Friends, fashion is a game of attention. Black is the best color to go for. Black color is a only color that literally suit each and every skin tone and complexion. All women love to wear black colored dresses. No one can go wrong with a black color outfit. Black color is a extremely popular color when it comes to saree, blouse and ethnic wear. So this video we are showing you some of the best black color blouse with matching saree combination for your reference. All Indian women has more than one black color blouse in their wardrobe, but they don't know how to match with correct sarees. A good black color blouse with a complementing saree can make you look gorgeous and sophistication. Friends, black color blouse with mirror work is the stylized piece of clothing in your wardrobe that can be contrasted and wear with any ethnic sarees. That kind of blouse perfect suitable for wedding and reception. Friends, black color blouse that allows experimentation. It is beautiful color that you can't go wrong with. If you are a lover of fashion, you just cannot afford to miss such a wonderful black color blouse in your collection. Friends, I hope you guys are love this video. If you like this video, please do like, comments and share it to your friends and family. Friends, please click subscribe button and along with the bell icon for immediate notification. Thank you friends and keep watching.